Good morning, Lee. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Elantra. This is the one that you actually specifically asked about. So let me take you through it real quick. Got our cascading Hyundai grille with a beautiful Hyundai H in it. Wrapped around LED daytime running lights. LED headlights. Sporty alloy wheels. You're gonna get a blind spot mirror here. Take a look on the inside. This is gonna have our premium gray cloth. You're gonna get a touchscreen monitor up there with a backup camera, power locks, power windows, lane keep assist, cruise control, his and her air. But Lee, that's not the best part about us here at Tameron. The best part about us here at Tameron are the warranties. With this being pre-owned, you're still mileage is still great, so you're still gonna get covered under our warranty. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty. 10 years, 100,000 on the powertrain. Call me, I'll be your point of contact. My name's Kevin. You can reach me on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're gonna love the way you treat it here at Tameron and Hoover.